Hi everyone, in this video I want to cover how to manually configure Wi-Fi on a Pro A7 Plus panel. From the home screen, tap the menu button. Swipe up on the menu, then tap Settings. Tap Wi-Fi. Enter the master user code. On the Wi-Fi screen, you will see three ways to connect. Wi-Fi networks will scan for available networks. After selecting which network you would like to connect to, you can enter the password and connect. Add network manually allows you to type in the SSID. This is useful for hidden networks. After typing in the SSID and password, tap Connect. It's important to note that both the SSID and password are case sensitive. Lastly, if your router supports WPS and this feature is enabled, you can use this method to connect your Pro A7 Plus to your network. Simply press the WPS button on your router, then press WPS on the Wi-Fi screen of your panel. To test or troubleshoot your Wi-Fi communication path, do the following. From the security screen, tap the menu icon. Swipe up on the menu, then tap Tools. Enter the master user code. Tap System Tests. Tap Test Communicator. Tap Test Wi-Fi. The test will display your signal strength, speed, and if the panel has a connection to the internet. You can return to the security screen by tapping the shield in the lower right corner. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page and click the Show More tab underneath the video where you can view valuable links pertaining to this product, similar how-to videos, and our low-cost, no-contract alarm monitoring services.